Alright guys, I was going to do a movie style video there, but I'm having way too much fun. These lights are incredible, and now you look at that. Brake lights, everything. It's such a small thing, it just makes such a huge difference to the UDR. I mean, I've really fell back in love with this car big time recently. It's just unbelievable. I got so frustrated because I bought this one used and I had a lot of problems with it. Lots of bits breaking and stuff, but now I've got it pretty much how I want it. I've spent, I don't know what to think how much money I've spent on it actually getting it how it is now, but absolutely worth it now it feels. But you look at that light kit, that's absolutely phenomenal. It's not even, it's getting dark, it's kind of getting dull sky, but at night you're going to see some unbelievable distance with them. I had it on in my garden when I first fitted them. And if you're on my Instagram, like I mentioned before, you'll see the pictures up of how bright it was. It's just absolutely amazing. Even the way the brake light's like progressive, it doesn't just come on just like a quick change, it just looks so right. It's just little silly details. I mean, it's not a cheap light kit by any means, but it fits well, functions well, the install was nice and easy. The only thing you've, like I said before, you have to watch is just take your time cutting the body. But I mean, you can't really go wrong if you just take your time. Everything's colour coded, the front lights, the two light bars at the front, at the bottom you see there, they link into a sort of Y connecting cable, and there's like an A, B, C and D channel, and they're all colour coded. So say for example that was a white channel, you plug it into that. The top lights say the green, or sorry, yellow channel or whatever it is, and there's different channels for the back. So it's a simple installation. Just take the case off and no problem. And there's a little, it powers off the VXL 6S ESE. That's the only thing. I don't know if it's true or not, but it does say in the manual that it only works with the stock VXL 6S ESC. So it's taking more of a direct power sort of off that. So I'm not sure if it would work if you teed it in somewhere else, and maybe the brake lights wouldn't function the same or that. I'm not really got any idea, but if you've got it all stock, that shouldn't be a problem for you. But I'm just amazing. I've just really been so desperate to bring this out just to try it at night time. But the winds here in Scotland have been about 50-60 mile an hour, and it's been constant rain the last few days, and it's just not been able to do a thing. Like I've took my drone up today, hopefully get a wee sort of airborne kind of shot of the car. It wasn't quite as dark as it is now. It was maybe about 20 minutes ago. It's kind of turning fast now. But sorry, I heard the noise there, creaky tree. But yeah, it was absolutely brilliant. So I'm hoping the footage is all going to turn out right. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. But if anybody's looking at getting the UDR light kit, recommended, got the big pop-up all seal approval. I don't regret anything about it, and I think it just makes the UDR just even more realistic looking. It just looks beautiful. I mean, the camera might not show it as well as what it does in person. Got a stick in the wheels there, but it really, when you're out driving it, it just transforms the whole machine. But like I say, I'll let you guys go, and I'll catch you at the next video. So speak to you later. Have a good one, and